track number 1, He Krishna Gopal Hari. It is set to the instruments. In fact, I should also maybe present to you a little bit about what instruments you will hear. These are tracks that I have made specially for this program, and it is very courageous of me, I must tell you this. I am without any accompanists today. Usually when you have accompanists, it's a lot more, there's the moral support and there's all of that. But today when I look in your eyes, I'm sure I'll get a lot of your moral support here today. So these tracks have been made specially for this program, and I'm hoping that you'd love them all. So this track has a pakhavaj, which is a percussion instrument, and the sounds of the pakhavaj are very raw and very intense. At the same time, you will hear a little bit of the tabla, which is another percussion instrument from India. And it is set to a rag, a scale. For example, in Western music, we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. In Indian system, we have sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. So this particular scale has a different kind of a madhyam. So, sol, la, ti, do. The do is a little different, and you will hear it as I present. So it is based on Rag Yaman. So here goes, please. So you all have to sway like this all through, okay? Hey Krishna Gopal Hari, Hey Deen Dayal Hari, Hey Krishna Gopal Hari, Hey Deen Dayal Hari, Hey Krishna Gopal Hari, Hey Deen Dayal Hari, तुम करता और तुम ही कारण, तुम करता और तुम ही कारण, परम कृपाल हरि, हे दीन दयाल हरि, हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि, हे दीन दयाल हरि. Everyone, हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि, हे दीन दयाल हरि. One more time. हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि, हे दीन दयाल हरि. Well done. रथ होंगे रणभूमि में और कर्म योग के मर्म बताए. रथ होंगे रणभूमि में और कर्म योग के मर्म बताए. अजर अमर है परम तत्व यूं काया के दुख सुख समझाए. सखा सारथी शरणागत के, सखा सारथी शरणागत के दीन दयाल हरि हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि हे दीन दयाल हरि again हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि हे दीन दयाल हरि हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि हे दीन दयाल हरि तुम करता और तुम ही कारण तुम करता और तुम ही कारण सदा विद्यमान हरि हे दीन दयाल हरि कृष्ण गोपाल हरि हे दीन दयाल हरि हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि हे दीन दयाल हरि हे कृष्ण गोपाल हरि हे दीन दयाल हरि दीन दयाल हरि दीन दयाल हरि round of applause to you all for joining me. And
All more are there, no?
of course. Moments like this.
Can I ask you?
Yes, please.
In one movie, in Indian movie, I've heard that mentioning about Krishna, it's necessary also to mention Radha,
Yes.
but Radha before Krishna. It was Radha
Yes,
and Krishna.
yes.
Is it correct?
Yes, you're right. Yes, Radhe Krishna.
Boris Radha.
You're going to Agra, I think. I believe that you also have plans of visiting Agra. If you're going by road, you might come across this city, which is called Vrindavan. And that is where it is believed that Krishna took birth. So, if you can, and if you have the time, it would be lovely that you visit one of the temples there. Yeah?
Why not?
Yes, that would be lovely. It's hardly 45 minutes from Agra. So I was saying, it's moments like this wherein I believe that music is so powerful, sound is so powerful, and language is not a barrier then. No? Because the power of music, you sway to the rhythm, and even if I don't understand the lyrics, I will still hum along, and that's the power and beauty of music. Yeah, and it's beyond words, isn't it?
Yes.
That's lovely. All right, so the next song that I have here for you is, so we're going to go a little up north now. So this is mostly central India where we are. So this bhajan comes from there. Like I said, close to, you can visualize in Vrindavan there are a lot of people doing bhajan kirtan and they are singing this. So now we're going to take a train and we are going, you know what a train is, right? Yeah?
Sure.
We've
Now
been.
you have trains too, correct?
We've been. And the common wagon.
We can dance also.
I know.
So we're going to take a train because I want you to see outside the window through the train on your journey. And you will cross many cities and you will take a lot of these pauses to take some Indian chai, masala tea when the train stops on the station. Don't eat too much because that might not be advisable. So now we're going to go to Punjab.
Вивоз
Okay.
Рангханатха с вами. Вивоз Рангханатха с вами. On train.
Yeah, lovely. So we're going to go to Punjab. Okay, that's another city. And in Punjab, I'm going to set the stage here. What is happening? What are we seeing before us right now? What we're going to see is that there is a marriage ceremony happening. Have you attended any Indian marriage? Of course, you all have. Yeah.
Sure.
Видели ли мы с вами?
Look outside the window.
So, usually in Indian marriages, and especially if it is Punjab, you'll see that there's a whole lot of rituals that are done, and after all of that, and it's not like an hour thing or a 2 hour thing, it goes on for days and weeks sometimes, because we have a lot of fun celebrating anything and everything. We are a country that celebrates, we have that in us. So in Punjab, there is this ceremony going on. And usually what happens, there's a concept of Kanyadan, which is the bride is given away to the groom. And who gives her away is the father. So the father would then say that, okay, now you can go, And this part is what is also called, Vidai, a Vidai ceremony, wherein the girl is going, she's sent off. And when she goes, there are a lot of blessings of the elders and the whole community and all the relatives, and there's so many people that you don't even know, but they're all there. And so the bride is now leaving with the husband now, and the father and the mother, they are crying perhaps, because nowadays they've stopped crying so much. But usually they do, and they are remembering, how they kind of got the little daughter to become this big. And it's a flashback of all those memories of how she took her first steps, how, she cried the first time, how she went to school, and how she loved the Bengan ka bharta, which is a dish, how she loved aloo ka parantha. And so there's a whole flashback of all these things happening in that moment, right? And this song is then playing from behind. It's called Madhani. Yes, Madhani. Now what this word actually also means, if you have a full cream milk, you take it in a vessel, a container, and you take a stirrer, and you stir it and stir it and stir it. What happens?
Butter.
Butter! Yes, the butter comes out, no? So, Madhaniya basically has that root. So basically you take that thing and you churn it. So that churning is important for the milk to be transformed into something new. And this particular song talks about that churning that all of us also in life have to go through for something beautiful to come out, something new, some transformation to come out. So that churning
New
is
quality.
important.
New quality.
Absolutely, yes. So this song is Madhaniya. And here you will listen to a little bit of the duff and the dhol.
Madhaniya там
A little
точно
bit,
не
right?
было. Madhaniya.
Yeah. So the second track, I think, it's Madhaniya. Yes, this is a santur. Madhaniya चमके अमृता दिल कमेया अजमू लाडों का चुमके अमृता दिल कमेया अजमू लाडों का चुमके मधारिया 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 Are you in Punjab now? Can you see the girl? Yeah, I hope so.
Sure.
Hello? So this was a folk song from Punjab, Madhaniya. Would you like to sing with me?
Sure.
I can't hear you. I can't still hear you. I can hear only you very loud and clear. Where is the energy, my dear
You
friends?
sing as many as possible. We are there to listen.
Yeah. No, I want you to sing. Will you sing with me?
Yes.
Yes? Alright. Alright, so then without further ado, we're going to play a little game. Okay? I think even with this mic I'm audible right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll give you the first note. Alright? And then you have to take that first note. And then I will do something and then you have to tell me what is the next note that comes. Okay? Alright. So the first note, and I can put a scale right here. My Well done! Wow! You're wonderful singers, huh? How beautiful was that? Punjab all the way to Bengal. And it's a song in Bengali. You'll see how the language is shifting now, no? So when you heard Hey Krishna Gopal Hari, it was very different from Madhaniya. The language, the core of the music was very different. But the essence of emotions was right there. So now this is a song by Rabindranath Tagore, and I'm sure most of us have heard of his name. And this song says Ekla Chalo Re. I think in our lives there are times when it is that we find ourselves alone. And when we do, this song is a very good reminder that even if it is that we are alone, walk the path. Let's do whatever it is that we can, our karma, our work, our action. So even if it is that you are, don't forget to just walk the path, one step ahead of the other. Okay? So Ekla Chalo Re. Can you say that? Louder. Chalo Re. Ekla Chalo Re.
Walk alone.
Yes. Okay? Take your time. Even we need to wait, just like Radha. ಯಮುನೆ ಆಚೆಲೆ ಈರ ಕಾಚೆಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣ ನೋಡುದಾರಾಡ ಪಾರ್ವೆ ಕೂತಿಡ ಪಾಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಡ ಪಾವೈ ರಾಧೆಯೋ ವಾಡ ಯಮುನೆ ಆಚೆಲೆ ಈರ ಕಾಚೆಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣ ನೋಡುದಾನ್ ಆಡ ಪಾರ್ವೈ ಕೂತಿಡ ಪಾಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಡ ಪಾವೈ ರಾಧೆಯೋ ವಾಡ ஆயர் பாடையில் கண்ணன் இல்லையோ ஆயர் பாடையில் கண்ணன் இல்லையோ ஆசை வைப்பதே அன்பு தொல்லையோ பாவம் ராதா யமுனை ஆற்றிலே ஈர காற்றிலே கண்ண நோடுதான் ஆட பார்வை போதிட பாடை வாழ்த்திட பாவை ராதையோ வாட Could you see Radha? Okay. So this is a song which is typical of Rajasthani folk. It's a very perfect example of Rajasthani folk. For some people here who are from Rajasthan, right at the back, Khamma Gadi sa. So I'm saying welcome, warm welcome, namaste. So
Me
that's
too.
how you say it, Khamma Gadi.
Basically from Rajasthan.
You are oh Khamma Gadi sa. So this song is called Kesariya Balam. Kesariya basically means saffron, and this song is basically about. So what you can visualize here is, now you're going to see a desert, and you're going to see all these sand dunes, and perhaps you'll also see a sunset right next to that. You'll see some camels going, and with those camels you also see some dancers which are typical of Rajasthan. They're wearing those black dresses with all these ornaments hanging. So in this shadow of the sun, it looks beautiful, the shadow that they make. Right? So this is the setting. So can you see the sand dunes already?
Yeah.
I hope so. I can. Yeah?
You can see the screen backside, we can do like that.
Yes. So there is what is happening now. So there is this person who's waiting for her beloved to come in, and she's waiting, saying that Kesariya Balam, the person who's wearing a saffron turban, you know, the saffron turban, which is very typical of Rajputs, Rajputana, and that is the warrior class also. So the person has gone for fighting some war perhaps, or for something, and now the lady is waiting right here and she says, Kesariya Balam, Padharo Mare Des. Come to my home, come to our home. So that's the song. Okay?
His wife is calling her husband, you can say.
Yes.
No, waiting for her husband and inviting her.
Yes. All right. Kesariya Balam. Saavara केसरिया बालम आवोरे पधारो मारे देश केसरिया बालम आवोरे पधारो मारे देश पधारो मारे देश आओ मारे देश जी आओ मारे देश केसरिया पधारो मारे सावन आए रे सखी सावन आए सावन आए सावन आए सावन आए रे सखी सोमवारे काई कराए है भाल भरा गज मोतिया हाल भरा गज मोतिया ऊपर नैन धरा केसरिया पधारो मारे पधारो मारे आओ मारे आओ मारे देश जी आओ मारे देश जी आओ मारे देश जी आओ मारे देश Naiharva. And what is this Naiharva? So usually, when a girl gets married, she leaves the home. But the home that she stays in for the beginning part of her life, that is called Naihar. Right? The parents' home. And then when she goes, that's called, when she gets married or whatever, then that's called Sasural. So this is Maika or Naihar, and that is Sasural. Now Kabir, quite a saint, what he says in this particular bhajan, he says that Naiharva hamko na bhavere, and which is basically saying, I don't like my parents' home anymore. Why? Because I'm so much in love with that sign, with my beloved. Now on one level, on a worldly level, you can think of it as my beloved. On another level, you can think that this world is a Naihar for all of us. And we are all wanting to go back to our home, back to the source, back to the truth of our existence. And this song talks about that. Okay? So Naiharva. संगीत जिसको हम कहते हैं, हिंदुस्तानी संगीत. There's a whole genre which is dedicated to the monsoons. And this is called Malhar. So Malhar also has another meaning, which is when the rain falls, you know, it drenches you. So it takes away all your negativities, impurities. So it cleanses you. So Malhar, Malhar. So there's a story actually. There was one brilliant musician in the court of Akbar,
Tanzim.
one of the 9 jewels, as we know him to be, Tanzim. And he's the one who composed this. And it is said that Akbar wanted him to sing another rag actually. He wanted him to sing Rag Deepak. Now Deepak is like, you know, a candle, a flame. So now that is the power of music. So Tanzim knew that if it is that he sings Deepak, his whole body is going to get heated. And he might even have temperature and all of that. That was the power of music. That's what we are talking about, the purity of the notes, right? So now he couldn't say no to Akbar. If he says that sing Deepak, he has to sing Rag Deepak. But then what he did was, he taught one of his daughters Rag Malhar, so that once he finished Rag Deepak, she could sing Malhar and cool him off. So before going for that performance of Rag Deepak, the daughter already knew Malhar. And that's the story, and that's the power of music. So this rag is called Rag Miyan Ki Malhar. So now I want you to imagine you're sitting, you're going to Agra, and you're going to Vrindavan. I'm adding to your itinerary, right? So you can even go to Fatehpur Sikri. And there, or maybe you can even visit Gwalior. So there's the tomb of Tanzim there. Right? So imagine a court like the Darbar, no? The palatial court, and Akbar is seated there. And imagine what kind of a setting would that be. And now imagine something else, which is now the dark clouds are going to just come in here. So right from there you will see all these dark clouds are coming in, laden with a lot of water. That's what's going to happen now. Okay? I'll use this only. I'll give you a little snippet, not the whole, just a snippet for you to have a glimpse of what Indian classical sounds like. Is this audible? Yes. So this is called a tanpura. It's a 4-stringed instrument. So it's made out of a pumpkin. And the pumpkin is down here, and then there's a whole long neck that it has. So you put it here and then you place it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strings. Right? So this is the tanpura. And there is a swar mandal, which is a galaxy of notes being played by another instrument. So that's the background music that you hear now. Okay?
घोर घोर घनन घोर 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 घनन घोर 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 घनन घोर 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 घनन घोर चमके बिजुरिया चमके बिजुरिया दामिनी डरावे मोको दामिनी डरावे मोको ना आवे सैया काय करू दैया घनन घोर 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 घनन घोर चमके बिजुरिया चमके बिजुरिया दामिनी डरावे मोको दामिनी डरावे मोको ना आवे सैया करू दैया घनन घोर 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 घनन घोर So the beat goes like this. Din din dagi tikrituna tatta dagi tikritina. Din din dagi tikrituna tatta tikritina. Din din dagi tikrituna tatta tikritina. Dhani dhani takita takita dhaka tikita katta katikana dhagina dhagina kat dhagina 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 kat dhagina dhaka tikita katta katikana dha dhaka tikita katta katikana dha dhaka tikita katta katikana din din dagi tikrituna katta tikritina din din dagi tikritina dagi tikritina din din dagi tikrituna katta dagi tikritina. वन में बोले ना दूर मोर वन में बोले ना दूर मोर वन में बोले ना दूर मोर कोकिला करते शोर कोकिला करते शोर कोकिला करते शोर रे सा निरा निरे सा दानी मा पा गा गा मा रे सा मा रे पा मा पा नी दा नी सा मा नी दा नी सा मा गा मा रे सा रे नी सा नी मा मा गा मा रे सा वन में बोले ना दूर मोर वन में बोले ना दूर मोर कोकिला करते शोर कोकिला करते शोर पापी पापिया पियू पियू बोले पापी पापिया पियू पियू बोले ना आवे सैया करू दैया घोर घनन घोर 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 घनन घोर चमके बिजुरिया चमके बिजुरिया दामिनी डरावे मोको दामिनी डरावे मोको ना आवे सैया करू दैया घोर घनन घोर 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 घनन घोर घोर सा रे ब म नी ध नी ब म ग रे ध नी सा घोर रे ब म नी ध नी सा नी ब म ग रे ध नी सा घोर प नी ध नी सा नी ब म ग रे ध नी सा घोर नी ध नी सा ग रे ध नी ब म ग रे ध नी सा घोर घोर घनन घोर 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 घनन घोर
Rama was born in another age as a Krishna. Okay. Just
Please,
tell
please
them.
go ahead. Sure.
So just I will tell you. So they know Krishna, no? So that's what they can correlate. You just.
No, you say.
No,
Share.
it's okay. Now she is going to sing about Rama, and Rama is. Krishna was earlier Rama, long back. Then again he born with the name Krishna. Right, no?
I think so. Are we right about that? All right.
Name is different only.
हाँ.
जग में सुंदर दो ही नाम चाहिए कृष्ण का
Oh, yeah.
Ram.
Yeah.
Ram. Okay. हाँ जी नीला. थोड़ी वॉल्यूम करेंगे. That's a bansuri. Mountain flute. जग में साचो तेरो नाम हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम तू ही माता तू ही पिता है तू ही माता तू ही पिता है तू ही तो है राधा का श्याम हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी तेरे चरणों में चारों धाम हे राम हे राम हे राम हे राम तू ही बिगाड़े तू ही संवारे अस्तं गच्छति मिहिरं प्रवहति सुखदसमीरं प्रतिगच्छति निजनीडं शान्तं खगपरिवारम् गगने विलसति चन्द्रः धरणीतले समुद्रः गगने विलसति चन्द्रः धरणीतले समुद्रः खेलं नृत्यङ्गायं हृष्यति शिशुपरिवारः खेलं नृत्यङ्गायं हृष्यति शिशुपरिवारः अस्तं गच्छति मिहिरं प्रवहति सुखदसमीरम् अस्तं गच्छति मिहिरं प्रवहति सुखदसमीरम् प्रतिगच्छति निजनीडं शान्तं खगपरिवारम् अस्तं गच्छति मिहिरं प्रवहति सुखदसमीरम् प्रवहति सुखदसमीरम् प्रवहति सुखदसमीरम् Big round of applause for Sampath Bhai. What beautiful lyrics in Sanskrit, the beautiful language of Sanskrit. No? You can actually visualize. The words have so much power on their own. Thank you, Sampath Bhai, for this. Thank
Who's
you.
written?
Sampath Bhai has written.
Oh wow.